Greetings hobbyists, this is Artisans of Wool. And in this video series we're having a look at some of the less talked about extensions in Blender that are worth your time checking out. And of all the free extensions that I've covered recently, I think this might be the one I'm most excited about, even though it might seem quite minor at first. So let's have a look at this. So normally if we're in edit mode, I can go and select some vertices, or if I want to select all of these vertices, the one on the back won't be selected because we can't see it. Now what we can do is hit Shift and Z to go into X-ray mode, select, and then Shift and Z out to have selected everything. But that's quite tedious to constantly be Shift and Z in, Shift and Z-ing and Shift and Z-ing whenever you want to select anything. So where this add-on is brilliant is we can still select everything as we normally would without the back getting selected. But at any point while you're selecting, you can hold down a button, for example Shift, and it just goes into X-ray mode for that period of time, and then it turns off again. So you don't have to keep hitting Shift and Z to select something behind and then come back out of it. Effectively, you're halving your key presses, only having to hold down Z once. So if we just go to Edit and Preferences, this is in Get Extensions, and this is called X-Ray Selection Tools. Install it, you'll have an install button here, and then in your add-ons, you will have your options for this. Now, this will work in both object tools, so when you've got object mode on, but also in mesh tools, this is when you've got edit mode on. And to make this work the way that I've got set up, you want to have this looking the same as this. This will start on, which means that it will always work. You don't want that, you want it off most of the time. And then we're going to have this when we're holding, that you could just have to press it once. And I've selected Shift, that you could select other options as well if you'd prefer that, or you can have it turned off. You can also select the color of your frame to show you're doing this. If we just have a look here, as I'm normally selecting, but when I press Shift, it turns blue to indicate that I'm doing this. Again, you can have that remaining white if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you. And there are some options here, for example, to hide solidifying and hide mirrors as you're selecting, which is really useful, so I've got those turned on. And there are some other options that you can have as well. Now, importantly, this is only working up here where you've got your Select Box X-Ray on. So this has three new options: Box X-Ray, Circle X-Ray, and Lasso X-Ray. Now normally if you've got Select Box, this doesn't work. So if I start selecting and hold down Shift, this won't turn on. We've got to be in this Select Box mode for this to then work. And usefully, we have this option here, automatically activate the following tool at startup, so that you start in Box X-Ray Select and you don't have to come up and select that every time. So that's useful to have. Now this will also work in object mode as well. For example, we can't see this cube that's just here while I'm in this mode, but as long as I'm in Box X-Ray Select still, I can start selecting, press Shift, and that will show me what's behind to then be able to select that one as well. Really, really handy. Now this does have a few other tools available to it as well, but this extension does have a decent tutorial online, so I'll leave you to look at that. Or if you'd like me to do a bit more of a detailed video on this, just say so in the comment section. Hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.